Every question begins with a why, every dream needs a how, and every future deserves a now. At iLEAD, we don't just show you the way, we walk it with you. Welcome to the iLEAD Open House, a one-of-a-kind career counseling experience where curiosity meets clarity and possibilities transform into purpose. This is more than an event. It's your backstage pass to the future. Students from every background, with their parents by their side, walk in with questions, hopes, and a hint of uncertainty. They walk out with answers, with direction, with a plan. From career aptitude tests that reveal hidden talents to one-on-one sessions with industry mentors, visionary faculty, and the very leaders who built iLEAD. The chairman, the director, ready to guide you, to ask you the hard questions, to unlock what drives you. Because here it's not about fitting into a box. It's about building a path that's yours. Want to stand out in a crowd of degrees? Want to know what it takes to make it in the real world? This is where you start. And did we mention, for those who truly shine, on-spot scholarships await? Because when talent meets opportunity, magic happens. Twice a week, the doors of Open House at iLEAD opens wide to welcome the dreamers, the doers, the believers. So the real question is, when will we see you at the next Open House? Admissions are open. Secure your spot today. iLEAD. Imagine, become.